New pool ball set today. Received the Dynaspheres Challenger 572 set in the mail from Siebert's in Coldwater, Michigan. Let's open them up and take a look. They come packaged with the Dynaspheres cleaning cloth, noting that they are phenolic resin balls, which is noted on the box. These are the budget Dynaspheres balls. They do not have the quality control from Belgium sticker on the box, and I believe I paid just under $132 plus tax for these. They have a very narrow font, and it's more reminiscent of the Aeromyth Crown Standard balls than the Dynaspheres Bronze were. The Dynaspheres Bronze were a heavy font, not unlike the Aeromyth Select set. These actually remind me, although they are not number and stripe, they remind me of my father's La Decalite Belgian ball set that I grew up with. Let's get out the calipers and take a look at the promised consistency and quality control on these sets, which come off Dynaspheres' new production line. Just gonna try to one-hand this with the calipers. Try not to throw them off of zero. Okay, we're at 229. Bring it in. Just getting it so I can slide the calipers up and down comfortably without scratching the balls. Trying not to have any play, and all one-handed. Get into 4.9 and they don't move. 5.05 they slip pretty well. 4.9 they don't move at all. At 5, 225, 2.25 dead on. Here you go, first look, Challenger balls by Dynaspheres.